Hi, good morning again, everybody. So we're checking in again on the progress of our centerpiece. This morning, early, about half an hour ago, when you checked in, we had just started these. So if you notice, it's swelling and some have started to float for the royal blue and gold pieces that we're going to do. So they're currently expanding. Now, if you look back on our red and white centerpiece, if you notice, some have already been totally submerged. They're at different stages. If you notice, let me get in a little closer so you can see they're actually floating. And as the day begins to progress, they will get higher and higher and higher into the container. So let me give you another close-up. This is what it looks like. And these pieces, guys, they last for a long time. The only thing that you'd have to do is add water to it. It lasts continuously, months and months. It can be on your table. And the only thing, as I said, that you need to do is add water. Now, as I mentioned, these are available for sale at the office. Just wanted to give you a little preview because we've always been showing the finished product. So just wanted to show you what it looks like. And this is something anybody can do. All you need is the pearls, water, and the floating beads and your glass container. And you are good to go. You don't have to be a florist. You don't have to be an expert. This is something that you can set up yourself and put on your table, whether your dresser or your table, anywhere, anything that you want to use. If you're having a function at your office, budget friendly, this is something that you can actually do. So just wanted to show you what they actually look like as the pearls begin to expand. And I'm really liking this royal blue and gold setup with the golds peeking through the royal blue. So this is what it actually looks like. Okay, everybody, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment or message, and you can call us 541-7772. The number is 541-7772, or you can email us at heleng@helengevents.com.